Well, let's speak now to Mihaela Carstei in Washington, D.C. She's the head of the energy program at the Atlantic Council Research Group. Welcome to the program, Mihaela. So this deal took 10 years of negotiations. They finally signed it. Why did it take so long? I mean, it's estimated to have been worth over $400 billion. Is that what they were haggling over, just the price? China is thought to have been driving a hard bargain.
Yes, indeed. The price was the main obstacle to closing this deal, and it is, we shouldn't forget, the largest energy deal between two major countries and companies.
Now, there's the cost of the gas and then the cost of actually sending the gas to China. How is that going to happen?
Well, yes, we can't forget that this deal, although it was signed today, it will take about 6 years to actually see the flows of gas from Russia to China. They need to build the infrastructure. Most of it is on the Russian side. Russia will have to still find the money to make those investments, and they're not, according to President Putin's statement, they're actually going to be costing more than the Sochi Olympics. So it's not a small deal or a small effort. And the gas is not going to flow tomorrow. It will flow in the earliest 6 to 7 years from now.
Mihaela, how important is this deal first for China?
Very much so. China is hungry for energy, all sources of energy. Currently, it's dealing with some major environmental issues caused by burning coal, and it has to maintain a diverse energy portfolio. Domestically, it didn't really have a lot of gas resources. Getting gas from Russia, it's actually the most economic solution, given that LNG, if it chooses to continue to import LNG, it would have had to build additional terminals, which actually cost a lot more than the infrastructure on the Chinese side it will have to build to connect to China. To Russia, sorry.
Okay, and how big a deal is this for Russia, which, as we know, has been very keen to find an alternative market for its gas amid that Ukraine crisis and the possibility of more sanctions from Europe?
I wouldn't call it an alternative market. We need to be careful. Yes, it is a major deal with China. However, Russia still sells to Europe 3 to almost 4 times as much gas as it will sell to China. It does not mean that Russia will not continue to depend on having commercial relationships with Europe. It is just bringing diversity to the Russian markets by selling to China. So it's not a switch. It is a diversification move.
Mihaela, thank you very much indeed. Mihaela Carstei is the head of the energy program at the Atlantic Council Research Group.